Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. In today's episode, we're going to cover the BTC and the OGN price action. Before we start the multiple time frame analysis, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame BTC. Based on a weekly time frame, as you can see, we've got rejection after rejection. Once we had this candle on the 17th, the weekly time frame entered into the consolidation zone. Based on a weekly time frame, without claiming this resistance as a support or clean breakout, which is going to be at around $43,500 and $44,000, weekly time frame will remain under the consolidation. However, this candle, even though we've got green one, it looks slightly weak at this stage. So the level based on a weekly time frame is going to be 43.5, ideally $44,000. Moving on to a daily. Based on a daily time frame, with this candle 26th of November, perfect retest, then daily time frame entered under the bearish control, and we had, as you remember, major support. We came right to the dollar, the lower line of this major support, and we started pumping as expected. The second time, the Russia-Ukraine issue on the 24th of February, which was expected that this level we expected to hold and to go all the way up to the major, this Fibonacci level. We expected that the price action to come all the way up to the 618 and 67, the golden pockets. Based on this time frame, you can see we've got lower highs and higher low structure, which means that's market getting squeezed out, and very soon we will see a volatility in the market. So from 27th of November, we saw nearly 50% dump in the market, 45% ideally. However, with the current price action, we are down by 30% if you took it this setup based on a daily time frame. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to further analysis for BTC, I would like to draw your attention for the OGN, which I shared yesterday. As you can see, 19 hours ago, OGN 85 and 90 cents are heavy resistance, and expecting 28 to 35%, which is a 25 to 35% ideally, the dump in the market. And as you can see today, recently I updated, and OGN, as you can see, provided already 18%, and we managed to enter right from the top. That was a nice setup. The market is quiet at the moment, and it is not that easy to find these type of setups currently. If you're not following me, you can follow via Twitter, _magnate. And as you can see, a perfect rejection from the lower line of this heavy resistance, as I mentioned, with a tight stop loss, and that provided already over 20% with the current price action. And I'm expecting the price action to dump all the way up to 62 cents, all the way up to 55 cents. So ideal zone is going to be to exit 60 and 65 levels. And if you did it leverage with a 10 times 200%, 5 times 100% in less than 24 hours. Before we move on to BTC price action, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. In the last few videos, once we came to this level and we had a 0.618, the golden pocket, we rejected to the must-hold level. As you remember, as you saw, after we got rejection, we came first time, perfect hold, rejection right from the 618. The next time we came again, and we're just seeing a rejection from the resistance. We played perfect scalping, and if you're following me with these levels, the levels hasn't been changed. These support and resistance levels hasn't been changed in the last 2 months plus. In the recent tweets that I was expecting, we didn't get a confirmation at the moment based on a 4-hour time frame. Therefore, I was talking about this resistance is going to be a bit challenging in the coming days. So as you can see, we've got a minor dump in the market. We have 40,500, 40,300 levels are a bit lower time frame support. If we're going to lose again this resistance, highly likely we will end up around $40,000. Without claiming, as I said, this resistance, the upper line, as a support, it is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a 4-hour time frame. The current condition of 4-hour time frame around these areas are going to be consolidation. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, as soon as we broke and stayed above, as you can see, perfect rejection from this wick, around $40,000, 2-hour time frame flashed a bullish signal. So at the moment, 2-hour is heavily under the bull's control. Without losing $40,000, 2-hour will remain under the bull's control. We're not going to touch 1-hour time frame. Follow 2-hour and 4-hour levels because 1-hour time frame is already under the bull's control. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.